It's upsetting to check into your PayPal account and see a big fat zero. Despite your best efforts, it appears as though nothing ever actually happens. Using PayPal, what you're going to see has the potential to generate between $400 and $700 every day. I'll demonstrate how to do so in this brief video, and after you finish viewing, you can immediately get your first PayPal payout transfer into your account. Be aware though, as this is not for everyone. This little known method of making money using PayPal, which is totally free and available anywhere, can be used as long as you have a PayPal account. Sounds ideal, right? It is! Now,
Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below.
at the end of this video, I'll give you a demo example and a few additional suggestions to help you boost your revenue if you don't already have one. If you don't already have one, I'll explain how to get one. Making your first PayPal payout is now as simple as counting to 3. To ensure that you don't miss that portion, pay close attention. Watch the video right away. I want to start off by making sure you do, in fact, have a PayPal account. PayPal is open to users from all around the world. When you visit paypal.com, just click the sign up button to be directed to this website. By choosing next, you may easily log into your account. Fill out a very short form to open a free PayPal account. As a result, you can start receiving payments into your PayPal account from a variety of countries. Let's now go to step number 2. Visit betatesting.com, please. I want you to click the Join as Beta Tester link here at the top as soon as you land on the homepage of our website. By doing so, you'll be taken to this page. On this website, you can test out a wide range of intriguing new products. Giving input on a range of new items, including websites and applications, may earn you money. I'll soon give you an example from the real world to show you how much easier this is than you might think. You will start by testing various new hardware, software, and apps. You might be able to download a variety of apps to test out and begin earning money online. After receiving your project, you will proceed to do your tasks, which include providing comments and bug reports. Last but not the least, you can get $10 to $20 for the majority of tasks. Depending on the work you do, you might be able to earn even more money online. Let's proceed to the next action, where I'll show you how to sign up for a free account. Click the sign up button will take you to this page where you can build your profile by answering a few questions and begin making money. Entering your email address is as simple as doing that. This stage requires close attention from you. You can build your profile and account in under 5 minutes if you keep watching, because I'll demonstrate exactly how to respond to each question. Create a password for your new account as your first action. After that, fill up the first name form with your first and last names. In the second paragraph of this column, you'll describe the gadgets you use. Some of you guys might use a desktop or laptop computer, an iPhone, an Android phone, or both. Depending on the devices you're using, you might acquire and receive different jobs, and your pay might alter. Your final position will also change and fluctuate. They will inquire as to what brands of TV you are using, such as Samsung. Enter the devices you are using, whether they are an iPhone or an Android phone, under Devices. If you have more devices, you have more opportunity to make money online. Therefore, you might choose all 3 of those options. Now let's move on to the next query. Simply click this down arrow, choose your gender, and then your age to respond. You are free to select whichever nation you desire because it welcomes travelers from all around the world. After selecting your nation, just choose your time zone and zip code. Simply choose one of these options for education. Then you might just decide to use your current income as your household's income. The next question is about technical knowledge. I believe that if you choose average or expert, you will have more opportunities. The following query is, which social networks do you use? You have the option of using LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. When asked, are you now employed? Just answer full-time and then you must indicate your industry of employment. You have the choice of working in any industry. Before we are done, there are only a few questions left. Another crucial section is the one where you choose your interests from a variety of categories. You can choose any category you choose, but I suggest going with business, technology, and health and fitness. The three largest categories are also the ones that will pay you the most. Choose the remaining choices based on your preferences. You can choose up to 8. Do you have children? Is the last inquiry. I therefore just choose no. And you are now free to press the Submit Registration button. Let's go on to the next phase. Following the creation of a free account, you can test a complete list of apps on betatesting.com and start making money with them. Remember that the availability of the test will be significantly impacted by both your country of origin and the type of device you are using. For instance, you are required to evaluate this software on the Google Play Store. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. The next step is to go to the Google Play Store, download this game, play it, and then give the app your opinion. You can make between $20 and $30 for each app you test on a mobile device. You can do this on an iPhone or an Android phone as long as you have an internet connection. I'd like to provide another illustration of how you can evaluate websites while earning more PayPal funds online. I'll give you a small example so you can have a clear idea of how it works and see the big picture. If you're asked to try something out on a website like eBay, you will then receive step-by-step instructions on precisely what you will be doing. For instance, you might just click on this link to access the eBay website in the initial stage. That will take you to the official eBay website, where you may just adhere to the instructions displayed on screen. For instance, you can comply with a request to please take a screenshot of the eBay website homepage by printing the screen on your phone, or if you're using a computer, by snapping a picture of the page, saving it as an image, and then saving the image to your computer. By doing that, you may demonstrate to them that you visited the website and carefully followed all the instructions. You're asked to please find the daily deals on eBay and capture a screenshot in step 3. Albeit the directions you receive may vary depending on the task you are given, but what they really want to do is test your ability to surf and navigate their website. The daily deals section of eBay is already visible. You should select the daily deals section link at the top to access this page, where you can view all of eBay's current daily bargains. They want to make sure that customers who visit their website can explore and successfully find the daily deals. To demonstrate that you can verify that it is accurate, take a snapshot of the daily deals section. All you have to do now is that. The fourth step, search for this product and snap a screenshot, allows you to select and copy the full name of the item. To prove that you found the product, take a screenshot or print the screen. As you can see, the process is quite easy to finish. In order to accomplish step number 5, which asks you to please look for eBay customer service portal and take a screenshot, all you need to do is go back to the eBay website's main page and click on this link labeled Help and Contact, which will take you to the eBay customer service portal. Testing the website and exploring its various pages could earn you significantly more money than simply testing a simple app. Again, the projects you receive may differ according to your country of residence and the technology you use. You can test out various websites and applications. It's a really interesting, original, and compelling concept. On betatesting.com, you may earn money online by testing various apps and websites and offering your comments in exchange for cash via PayPal. The video ends at that point. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching The Money Hustle. Until the next video, take care.